Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Powr USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set main bull run plan. Let's dive in. If you still don't have an account on TradingView, I highly recommend you go into the description below and in a pinned comment, find out the link, sign up, and with this link you will get a $15 bonuses to your account. This is all the chart for Powr. Listing on a Binance was in October 17. You have to understand the logic of the price movement even after years, because absolutely everything what you see on the chart, it's just one big algorithm. So the market makers don't trade against you on 10-second time frame, on 1 minute time frame. So I hope you won't believe some big players, with the millions, just sit in front of monitor and click the buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell on 10-second time frame. So here's a 10-second time frame. On the TradingView, on Essential Plan, you can track even 10-second chart, even 1-second chart. And the price section still relevant, because somebody sell, buy every single second. Because even on 15-second time frame, even on 1 minute time frame, you can find out the price section. That's the point. All-time high and end of bull run was in January 18, highest point $2.05. Then drop it down, find a main support, how to work with this FIB and how to build the accumulation zone 27 block. I already made a totally free videos. Here's a drop, find a main support, bounce. We absorb this drop, consolidation, and collapse it down to test 18 level by FIB in August 19. One more example. So this FIB is legit, and take a look. This was a listing price, lower point was 4 cents. And after 2 years, because we go into the downtrend, after 2 years, we sweep this listing price. Great example. So we have all chances. So the coins which listed now during the 2023-2024, after 2 or 3 years, come back and sweep the listing price. Believe you or not. So the Manta, Jupiter, Altlayer, and many other coins have all chances repeat this story. Because trust me, the people, investors, traders who bought it here, they just won't believe. So this coin can drop lower than the listing price, but we did it. So absolutely same story can be with just these brand new coins. What we can see next here. Once again, 27 block works like an accumulation zone. So accumulation inside 27 block, pump, April, May, correction down, pump. One more example, not every single bull run, the coins beat the previous all-time high. And it's really fun, but take a look. Basic metrics, 512 million coins now in circulation supply, 1 billion total supply, market cap 200 million. So this is how the chart looks like. So imagine this is a bull run, end of bull run, market cap highest point was 650, and after 3 years we not beat the previous all-time high, and the market cap we just hit 367 million. That's one more point. So don't fall in love in coins just blindly because you believe, because someone tell you we have to beat every single cycle new all-time high. Maybe for Bitcoin, yes, but I'm not sure also. A lot of altcoins will end this bull run or in the next one and not beat the previous all-time high, and maybe will never beat the previous all-time high. If you even zoom out and take a look on the line chart, so this is how the weekly time frame looks like, this is how the monthly time frame looks like, and I'm more than sure that the end of bull run was in spring, because here take a look, line chart cut all noise, and here even the high was in March, April, May 2021. On the chart, of course, it looks kind of different, but body candle, we close. Oh, it's just a noise. It's just a hunt liquidity. This FIB is legit by one more reason. Take a look. After here, it's January 18, and here's a December, January 24. After 4 years, we come back and test exactly 0.5 level by FIB because we get a reaction. This is one more example how, if you determine the FIB correctly, you can trade the levels, because the price respect the level because it's just an algorithm. Basically, this coin has potential once again, and maybe this cycle we will gonna beat this all-time high. Why? Because more money inflow into crypto industry. Yes. Every single cycle, we get more and more money inflow. even just for speculation. I'm not telling you the market makers push this price so high, you know, to crazy gains. No, they can put the price to new all-time high, sweep liquidity pool, this one, and drop it down into bear market again. Of course, everybody want to believe. So yes, I buying some token, and this token have to be the previous all-time high, and I'll be incredibly rich. But what if not? Do you have a plan B? With this circulation supply to hit new all-time high, $2.08, we have to reach 1 billion market cap, almost twice bigger than it was here. But we just sweep for a few cents all-time high. So take a look, $1.40, only 0.61 level by FIB. It's gonna be even bigger market cap than we got at all-time high, $3.10, let's say 1.61 level by FIB. $3.10, we have to reach 1.5 billion market cap. Of course, it's possible. Build the realistic price target, base it on historical chart, base it on this algorithmic, you know, model, and base it on your plan. When to accumulate and when to distribute this coin. This block, and like you can see, the market makers already fixed some profit. It's more than okay for fixation. Why? Because take a look, market makers usually at least withdraw initial deposit. Here, 800%. And people who scream it here, yes, we're going to the moon and not fix the profit, they now regret because we are down, even at this current moment, 67%. At this level, it was 76 down. But here, somebody buying here, this level, this level, this level, randomly, without any strategy, without any plan. That's why the good time to accumulate, it's usually this block. Yes, we have all chances, even drop from this current moment, 39 cents, we have a chance to drop it down one more time to 18 level by FIB. Absolutely. Why not? So do you think the people who bought it here, they believe we're gonna sweep the listing price? Of course not. But that's the point. And this is a zone for accumulation. Accumulate now or not, it's only up to you. Because and I would like to show you the zones for accumulation based on indicators. You know, it's only up to your own risk. You have to understand the people who accumulated, for example, here, they are still now in profit 282%. But of course, it's not that profit what people expecting for bull run. That's why more likely we're gonna test $1.40 and this block $1.69, $1.81. The most bullish scenario for me personally, it's 1.5 billion market cap, $3.10. This one. You can build your own plan and even wait $4.79, $6, $7. Of course, you have to always follow your plan. I just showed you my idea. Let's take a look. Historical chart with my custom indicator set, what the whales did and what they do now, and how it playing out on the chart. Here. Accumulation, it's a weekly time frame. Weekly time frame we usually use for accumulation and for investments. Here, accumulation, pump and divergence on the chart. Time to sell. So this is time to distribute step by step. Here, biggest accumulation. We never seen the bigger accumulation than it was in summer 2023. And the price was 12 cents. What does it mean? It means, so 12 cents, it's more than okay for the whales accumulate their bags. And imagine, from 12 cents, they put the price to $1.20. Fix a profit, drop it down price 76%. So you have to follow the steps of the whales. Now we're in distribution zone. If we take a look at a monthly time frame, here, we also in distribution zone. Here was a main accumulation on a monthly. All this period is just distribution zone. So the whales step by step distribute their coin, because if they accumulated, for example, at 3 cents, all this period at 7 cents, at 26, at 34, at $1.20, it's more than okay for them to fix the profit. So that's the point. Now we try and hold the line at zero level. So of course, the most positive scenario, if we hold the line and make a parabolic move like this one, you know, bounce, 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 and going higher. But we will see. Let's take a look on direction. Here's the direction. Here's the signals where the whales accumulate mostly on weekly time frame. Accumulation, pump. Accumulation, pump. Now no signal for accumulation. That's the point on direction. Let's take a look on market mood. Here, this is madness, euphoria on the market. You have to out of this coin. This is a depression, gray one, color, depression zone, time to accumulate. Now, at this current moment, we are like in a hope zone. So it's more like hope, optimism. Of course, it would be much better if we'll see once again drop maybe to 23 cents or even lower to see once again this belief, this blue one mood, or even the depression zone for continuation. But of course, we can move even higher from this current price. Monthly time frame, here, all this period, the people distribute their coin. Once again, distribution. It was distribution. Now, market come down. Would like to see once again on a monthly time frame, depression, disbelief zone. Take a look on money power. Money power on the monthly time frame. Here's the main money inflow, 3 cents. Money outflow. Imagine. So the main money inflow was in September 18, 3 cents. And the main money outflow was at 42. It's a huge profit because they needed timing for accumulation and they needed timing for distribution. So the new investors who came into the market in 2022 to 2023, the money inflow, May 2022, December 2022, the biggest money inflow with MACD divergence was May, June 2023. Pump, crazy pump, over than 800%. That's the point. Here they're fixed and money outflow. It's not random indicators. It's give you a lot of data which you can track here. They fix a profit. Usually, when you see the money outflow, most likely they fix and withdraw initial deposit. And with the drop it down, 40% fixed profit, and then push the price way higher with the free coins, money from the air. Now no signal to sell or buy. Let's take a look on trade on. Here, sell, step by step, recommendation close position, sell, recommendation close position, sell, all this in period recommendation close position, and accumulate. You can accumulate, sell. If we take a look on monthly time frame, main signal to sell, because here we didn't see the signal to sell because not enough data, for analysis for that indicator. Here is a main signal to sell in April, May 2021, where we see the end of bull run. Here's a recommendation close position. We still not see the main signal to buy, but like you can see, we can trade even with this recommendation close position and trade even swing trades. And last, most important indicator for this token now is take profit. So here, like every single time when we trade under last line, it's fundamental value of this token is great time for accumulation. Here, it was a great time. Accumulate this coin. Here, we tested the buy line and the bounce from this line, this one. Now we trade over exit line. Basically, I don't like this setup. So my setup for entry can be, it's just my personal opinion. If we drop to the buy line again, it's 13 cents, or even test the buy line, no matter where this price will be on a weekly time frame. Daily time frame, buy line at this current moment is 23.77. So we can see even the move one more time like this one and drop it down to the buy line. So 27, 23, this area, if we're gonna retest the buy line, maybe it can be the good entry. But of course, we just around zero level. So if you believe the Powr hit new all-time high, you can accumulate even now, step by step, because you never get the bottom. Most crazy, just insane bearish scenario if we will drop once again to 18 level. It's around 5 cents. I don't think so. Just listen carefully, please, because the people just take a look at the numbers and start typing the comments. Oh, you're so bearish, it will never happen. It's most bearish scenario if it will happen, The bullish target is $1.40, this block, and more, maybe 1.5 billion market cap, $3.10. Of course, when we sweep this high, if we will sweep this high, this zone is just open space. So the first rejection we will see at this level. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what is your main price target for Powr. If you would like to trade with my custom indicator set or show you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.